Hello, my name is Mike Lloyd and I'm here today to talk about the improved Ambercite AI Release 4. I'm going to demonstrate this by running a search for similar patterns to US 9 million, which claims a windshield washer conditioner. But before we do so, we might talk a little bit more about this patent. US 9 million essentially claims a conditioning system for rainwater which is collected by a car for use as windscreen washing fluid. To do this, we start by entering the patent number into our query box and then start the search. This shows the patent that we searched upon along with a list of similar patents, and they're ranked in terms of predicted similarity. And this is based on a combination of the similarity score, and if two patents have the same similarity score, we rank them by Amber score, where Amber score is our simple predictor of the relative importance of a patent. This column here talks about whether a citation we found is a known forward or backward citation, or as we go down the list, we see some unknown citations which haven't previously been cited against the patent, and these can be quite useful for IPRs, for example. As you can see, there's a picture for every patent, a representative family number, which defaults to the US in most situations, title and abstract, priority date, the owner, and the CPC classes. Now, as we review these patents, we've got a couple of smart options. Firstly, we have a keyword filter. So I'm just going to enter a couple of keywords, and windshield. And as you can see, these two words have been highlighted in different colours. So this makes it easy to see which patents may be important. Maybe you just want to look at patents that specifically refer to rainwater. So we've got a keyword filter. So that's going to limit the data set. So as you can see, it's becoming easy to use. Or we can go further. This is what we call a grid view. Alternatively, we can have a specific lookup on each patent. And so we can do this by either pressing the picture or the title or abstract. So I'm going to press the title or abstract, and this opens up a review box. So this gives the picture in greater detail along with some additional information. From this box, you can look at the patent, either Google Patent or Spastet if we want more details, or Amberscope to see a visual representation of what the network looks like. We can like a patent, which we can do by either pressing that button or pressing alpha like. And as we do so, you can see that this button here changes, this little thumbs up, so we know it's liked. Having looked at this patent, we can move to the next patent. So there's a button here, or you can press the down key on your keyboard. So the next patent pops up. It's all very straightforward. So it doesn't take very long at all to start reviewing the patents. Having done that, found some patents you've liked, you can export them all. You can export the ones you liked, or just show that you liked, or just show the ones that you liked. Alternatively, we can extend the search. So we've decided that we quite like the first one. So what we're going to do is just enter that number and expand the search. So this brings up a slightly different data set. And as we go down the results, you can see that some of the patents have got a star on them. That means it's a new patent which has been introduced by the additional seed patent. Now there's a few more options to consider. We have 3 different types of searches: novelty, validity, or licensing. We've got a date filter, a before and after date filter, and we can search by either priority or publication dates. It defaults to 50 results, but we can go up to 2,000 if you like. And it defaults to showing US family members, but if you like, for example, we could show European or even German family members. And as you can see, the first patent has a Germany family member. If you see a patent that you don't like, you can hide it if you wish by pressing that button there, and the patent number disappears into a hide box. As you can see, a very fast and simple way of reviewing patents that's based on the unique ability of Ambercite AI to find similar patents along with this review functionality to quickly work out which patterns are relevant to you.